A lovely pair of period Aynsley bone china sugar bowl and tall urn milk jug to show you. Berry Lane is the design. Let's show you the china marks. There we go. Mid-century England bone china Aynsley green marks on here. Very stylised pattern from Aynsley, this country lane. Really beautifully picked up with some brambles and some hedgerow colours. Scallop trim, tall urn milk jug with a quite dominant handle, just under 4 inches I think from memory, the measurements on this. Very sort of bulbous design. That's picked up again in the sugar basin. Just look at that, pedestal footed, narrow, and then really expanding out into this very broad midsection, and then narrowing again to this indented rim design on the sugar basin. There's Berry Lane C2167, the pattern number from Aynsley. Mid-century, these pieces on the England mark, 1940s, 1950s period, and they're in really fine condition, beautifully decorated all around the outer rim of this sugar basin, as you can see, and a nice clean interior as well on this one. Nice pieces. We've got trios in the teacup, saucers and side plates also available to match these up, and I think there's a cake plate going on sale as well, and I think there is a small teapot as well, which was purchased separately. It sometimes occasionally happens this, where we've got a teapot on catalogue and then the tea set comes our way 15 or 20 years later. It's a slow burn, this China business. I tell you, if I was looking to sell these too quickly, I'd never keep tabs on what we've got and what we can actually get for you. So have a look through the website. Can't guarantee all those pieces are going to be available by the time you're watching this video, but if you pop through on the link below and do a search on Aynsley Berry Lane, website should pull all the current catalogue pieces and show you what's available in this design. Thanks for watching.